welcome to this presentation of a Japanese ryokan. Of course, you can always expect a bed on the floor in a ryokan. This is very, very traditional. You really need to try sleeping on those tatamis. It's way more comfortable than you would expect. The doors, sliding doors. Don't do like Homer Simpson and go through them. Easy to forget during the night, trust me.
We can actually see up here, there's a sign. If you're in doubt where it is, it's bathroom and toilet.
Toilets. Quite horrible. Always the little shoes, that is Japan. Toilet shoes, always there. But those toilets, called Japanese styles, are quite of a challenge. Luckily we had, on every floor there are some Western style toilets. Here you can see the bathroom with a big, nice and very deep bathtub, which is very nice to take a warm bath. In Japan they usually take a bath at 40 degrees, which is very warm, but it's very good for the body. They usually stay maximum 10 minutes in it.
Then you get cleaned up first with a body soap and rinse. That's shampoo. And a nice sink. And then you just soak in the tub.
Amenities, the good thing to know when you travel to Japan is that you do not need to take a toothbrush, you do not need to take a shaving set, because there's always something included. Normally there's more amenities than that in the hotels. Oh yeah, of course. This is always standard in every Japanese room, every Japanese hotel. You will have a new kimono or yukata every single day. So that is actually a very, very cool feature. And many other hotels also provide combs and many other things. They always provide tea and a kettle. It's the least you can expect in a ryokan. As you can see, smoking room. In Japan, most of the rooms are actually smoking rooms.
And here is the TV. Not that big, but it's nice. And of course we have a nice fridge. Always good to have. And the remotes have to be, as you can see, in the designated spots, or else you get into trouble. Just kidding. And we have a phone if you want to call somebody. Behind door number 2, there's a nice little closet with some extra stuff. If we were cold, some extra towels, some extra covers. So that's good storage. Really good storage.
Rice paper windows, wood frame, also very, very stylish. Gives to a nice view of the air conditioning system. As you can see, Tokyo is a very, very packed city, so it's actually a very luxurious room we have here in Tokyo. If you're afraid of the garage, then this kind of rooms is definitely not for you, because there's openings everywhere, absolutely everywhere, and of course, who knows what's on top? And there is the little place for the shoes, because you should never ever wear your shoes here. It is actually, what I'm doing here is wrong. You're supposed to have some slippers that you remove when you come in and come out. So So that's the more or less right way to do it. Even if, yeah, you have to be Japanese to do it exactly the right way. So, that was a little tour. Thank you for watching. See you! じゃあまたね!